Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 110th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. How to demonstrate font family. We'll start with HTML. Now head tag, style type equals to text slash CSS dot HH. Font size 26 pixel. Font family Arial, Times New Roman, and now we'll end style tag, head tag, body tag, and now we'll end p tag, body tag, and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. This PC, local disk D, HTML, and 110th program. So this is our basic output of how to demonstrate font family. And don't forget to check the tags in description for the clear and basic understanding. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for amazing computer hacks.